Hello YouTube. Now I decided to do another pigment test with this Kärcher upright. Also same cleaner is under CV36 name and Windsor Versamatic name. So technical same, outside is a bit different. So this is about same amount but I use it in the looks pigment test, a bit more critic stuff, and I have that table to try to stabilize this carpet so it doesn't move so much, because this brush roll is so powerful that it crumbles the carpet, so it makes this fail. And one thing what I have to mention is that there is this I release holes, so they might get blocked, or I think they do. So will this do good job or not? My biggest challenge is trying to keep this carpet in place, but let's start. careful with that brush roll because it grabs those edges, or how you say, whatever, you know what I mean, with the carpet, and it causes awful mayhem. This was all particles were bouncing all over the place, and this is not very suitable cleaner for these small aerial rocks. And this has this mechanism that means that when I take this tube off, brush roll will switch off, so I just cleaned some edges. So this did much better than last time, but this looked like awful mayhem happening here. This would have been so much easier if I had a wall-to-wall carpet, so I wouldn't have to worry about those edges. And what I mean, I take this camera off, is this. When your brush roll does this, then you know you should avoid those edges. So, okay, now my English wasn't too good this time, but I hope you enjoyed this mayhem. Okay, so I just did the pigment test, and I didn't realize that I had this bag system here, so I didn't have that big bag. I had this fleece bag here. I show you how full this really did get. This is absolutely almost bursting. I have never had this full bag in any my cleaner, so this did affect the suction power, but okay, there's nice bag of filth there, and I will put proper bag there. So this was just a side note to this video.